So, Adam, did you know that drinking water right before bed could actually be bad for your health?
Wait, really? But isn't staying hydrated supposed to be a good thing? Fill me in.
I know, it sounds counterintuitive, right? But according to Ashley Hainsworth, a sleep expert at the Sleep Foundation, there's a pretty solid reason for it.
This is already blowing my mind. What's the scoop?
Well, it turns out that drinking a lot of water right before bed can lead to overhydration, which can disrupt your sleep by making you get up for bathroom trips.
That makes sense. I definitely notice that I wake up more when I drink a lot of water before bed. So, what's the science behind it?
Hainsworth says that hydrating earlier in the day is crucial because it gives your body time to process the fluids. When you drink a lot right before bed, your kidneys kick into overdrive and you end up with more trips to the bathroom.
Right, and those disruptions can mess with your sleep cycle, correct?
Exactly. According to the Sleep Foundation, consistent sleep disruptions, like frequent bathroom trips, aren't just annoying. They could be linked to neurodegenerative diseases like dementia and Parkinson's.
Wow, that's actually pretty serious. So, when is the best time to hydrate to avoid this?
Hainsworth suggests starting your hydration in the morning and maintaining it steadily throughout the day. That way, you're less likely to overload on fluids in the evening.
Got it. So we should gradually decrease fluid intake in the 2 hours leading up to bedtime?
Yes, giving your body time to process the fluids before you sleep minimizes those disruptive bathroom trips.
Makes a lot of sense. And what about caffeine and alcohol? They must be on the no-go list too, right?
Absolutely. Both caffeine and alcohol can interfere with sleep because they act as diuretics, which means more urine production. Best to avoid them, especially before bed.
This really makes me rethink my evening habits. So, setting a consistent drinking routine is key?
Yes, Hainsworth emphasizes aligning your water consumption with your daily routine. Respond to thirst, but especially earlier in the day.
It's not just how much you drink, but when and how it fits into your day. That's a real game changer.
Spot on. By adopting a mindful routine, we can improve both sleep quality and overall health.
Guess I need to rethink my bedtime water rituals too. This has been super enlightening.
Same here. So that's the inside scoop on why you might want to reconsider that pre-bedtime pint of water. Thanks for tuning in.
And don't forget to follow or subscribe for more health myth-busting episodes.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye.